Hi, my name is Kris Murray, and I'm a professional speaker, author, and trainer, and a business owner. I'm 52 years old, and I'm the mom of 2 teenagers. So what I love that keeps me looking young and youthful and is really good for my skin, and my skin loves it, is I love my emmiSKIN products. And I use the 5XP all over my face, and then I use the eye cream at night and in the morning. And it's the Maximum Impact Eye Cream. And these 2 products, I've been using them for, I don't know, 3 or 4 months, and I really love them. I've noticed that my skin looks younger, and it really loves these products. My skin just really loves the way that the creams feel and is responding really, really well to them. So I wanted to make this quick video to inspire you to say that emmiSKIN products are great. You should give them a try, and I would recommend them to anyone, especially a mom in her 40s or 50s with teenagers. So get your emmiSKIN products today. We'll see you soon.